Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to create this gorgeous glittery peachy eyes paired with nude lips for this festive season, and it's going to look amazing on all, and you can definitely wear it with most of your traditional outfits. I have used mostly drugstore products to create this look. A few are from luxury brand. I hope you're gonna definitely love this video. I'm going to show you each and every step of doing this look. Before that, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have well moisturized my skin today, and before doing any kind of makeup, you just need to prep your skin. Today I have used this Conscious Chemist Indulge Facial Cream with matcha green tea and hemp seed oil. It's perfect for oily combination acne prone skin type, and you can see the glow on my skin. It's because of the moisturizer. And now it's time to do my eyebrows, for which I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing it through my brows to know the natural shape of my brow. For the actual brow product today, I'm using Pack Super Brow Eyebrow Cream in number 02 Cedar Cream, and I'm using this particular brush from Pack. It's Pack 099 brush to apply the product. So it's basically an eyebrow pomade in the form of cream. As you can see, it's a very creamy stuff and it's very pigmented. A little goes a long way with this product. Don't apply a lot of this, otherwise you'll be creating a lot of mess on your brows. It's a super intense product which just makes your brows look so prominent, and when it sets, guys, it's not going to budge. This is a complete smudge proof, budge proof, very long lasting eyebrow product that you can definitely try out for special occasions. And I'm just filling my eyebrows with the help of this, and now I'm just cleaning out the edges using a concealer so that my brows look really prominent and lifted. This part is completely optional. I love just cleaning the edges of my brows so that everything looks nice. Now taking the spoolie one more time, I'm just going to distribute the product all over my brows, and you can see this is how my brows are looking now. Now it's time to prime my skin, for which I'm using Wet n Wild Rose Primer Serum. So it's basically a primer in the form of serum. As you can see, super liquidy consistency, and I'm just applying a few drops of this on my face. And you can see this is a super hydrating kind of serum, guys, which acts as a primer because it has got a kind of tackiness which helps in just sticking your foundation really well on your skin. So using my fingertips, I'm just applying it on all over my face, and you can see the hydration, the glow it provides. So it's going to work definitely on all Indian skin tones, and if you have dry skin, guys, this will be just a great product for you. Now I'm using this NICKA waterproof concealer in the shade Deep Caramel as my color corrector. So using a darker shade of concealer can be used in place of a color corrector because that helps in just cancelling out the darkness. So I'm just using this darker shade of concealer around my eyes, around my mouth, just on the spots that I have on my face, and this will just cancel out all the darkness, cancel out all the pigmentation that I have on my skin, and going to create a beautiful base. And you can see I am using this concealer brush to just blend it in, and the shade goes really well on my skin tone, guys, to just cancel out the darkness. And you can see this is how it looks like. Now it's time to put foundation on my skin, for which I'm using K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 145 and medium. Beautiful shade, and I love this foundation. It's having a beautiful creamy consistency. I'm just using my fingertips to apply this on all over my face. Now I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge and going to start on blending this in. So you can see, guys, I love this foundation mainly because of how it actually looks on my skin. So it's having a beautiful kind of hydrating dewy finish on the skin which doesn't look oily. At the same time, this product is very long lasting because when it sets, it's not going to budge, guys. I love the coverage it gives. It just gives more like a medium coverage. As you can see, some of my imperfections still picking through. I love the finish of this foundation. It looks very healthy on the skin. You can definitely build this up to get full coverage, and I absolutely love this foundation. For the concealer today, I'm using a high coverage concealer, and this is the Sugar Magic Wand concealer. Since I have used more of a medium coverage foundation, so I'm just adding a little more coverage under my eyes, just on the bridge of my nose, on my lid. And this is a full coverage concealer, very thick creamy consistency, and you can see the coverage. So you just need to apply a little bit of this and blend it really well, guys, otherwise it will be looking really cakey on the skin. A little goes a long way with this product as well, so make sure that you apply really less product, because if you apply too much of this, it's going to look super duper cakey on the skin. The only downside of the product is that it kind of creases in the hot summer months, so I preferably like to use this concealer mainly in the winter months, in the cooler months, and I absolutely love how it actually adds a lot of brightness under my eyes. Now to set my concealer, I'm using Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact in the shade CHOCOCCINO. And with the help of my damp sponge, I'm just applying it on the areas where I have put that concealer, so it will help in just sealing that on my face. This is also a beautiful compact. It's a matte compact, but it doesn't look overly matte or drying matte on the skin. You can see the coverage it gives. It's a beautiful compact, guys, and it's very affordable at the same time. So you can see my base makeup is looking quite flawless. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed with this palette because it's just like my kind of palette, guys. At first, I'm taking this rusty brown color, and with the help of this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply it in my crease as my transition color, and also a little bit above my crease to just blend everything in, slowly building up the color and blending it really nicely. Now I'm using this deeper brown shade, which is more on the warmer side, and with the help of this tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply it just in the outer 2/3 of my eyes to just add some depth to my eyes and drag it towards my transition shade really well and blend it really nicely. Also going to apply it in the inner part of my eyelid, as you can see, because today I'm going to create halo eyes, guys. Taking this lighter brown shade from the palette, I'm going to blend out my transition shade one more time so that everything looks nice and there is no harsh lines. Now mixing these two shades, one is a chocolate brown color and the other one is a black shade. I'm going to just deposit the color mainly in the inner corner, in the outer corner of my eyes, and connect them together like this, because I'm going to create a beautiful halo eyes, and I just want a lot of depth in my crease and also in the inner and the outer part of my eyes. As you can see, blending it really well with the help of the pencil brush, and also taking that rusty brown shade one more time. I'm going to blend out my crease line in order to diffuse everything so that there is no harsh lines and everything looks really nice and in gradient. Taking a concealer, I'm going to cut the center of my eyelid. As you can see, I'm just applying the concealer at the center of my lid, just applying it a little above my crease line because I want to get more lid space. And there I'm going to put a shimmery shade because I'm creating halo eyes today. Taking this dirty pink shade from the palette, which is a shimmery shade, and I'm just spritzing a little bit of fixer on it to get the best pigmentation, as you can see. And with the help of this brush, I'm going to directly apply it on that part of my lid where I have put on that particular concealer. So the concealer actually is acting as a base for that eyeshadow. Now taking this darker brown shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it just in the outer edges of that part where I have applied that shimmery shade in order to blend it with that dark intense black shade which I have applied in the inner and the outer corner of my eyes, and blend it really well so that there is no harsh lines. Taking the black one more time, I'm going to intensify the outer and the inner corner of my eyes and also a little my crease so that everything looks nice. Now for the pressed glitter, today I'm using Mafia glitter in the shade Rose Gold. It's a pressed glitter, so you just don't need separate glitter glue for this. I'm directly applying it at the center of my eyelid where I have put on that particular dirty pink shade, and you can see you can directly use your fingertips for applying this. I'm using a black kajal, and this one is by Purple. This is the Purple EYEMIGO Kohl eye pencil for tightening my upper waterline. And for my lower waterline, I'm using LA Girl Shockwave metallic eyeliner in the shade Lullaby. This is a nude eye pencil which is having metallic finish, guys, so it works beautifully as your nude eye pencil. So now taking this rusty brown color, and with the help of a small crease brush, I'm going to apply it on all over my lower lash line. As you can see, I'm just creating the same kind of smokiness on my lower lash line, followed by that chocolate brown shade. I'm just concentrating it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. I'm using a pencil brush for this. Now using a small pencil brush, I'm going to deepen my lower lash line with the help of that black color, you can see. Now taking that dirty pink shade, I'm going to apply it in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line to just match it with my lid shade, and also applying a little bit of glitter in that part as well so that everything looks nice. Now it's time to apply eyeliner, for which I'm using LAKME Iconic liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just draw a beautiful winged eyeliner. This particular eyeliner is really long lasting, guys. It's jet black. It's having a kind of soft matte finish, looks so intense on the eyes, and it's super duper affordable. You just need to try this. For the mascara today, I'm using Maybelline Hydra Lash Lift Mascara. Beautiful mascara for using on a daily basis because it adds a lot of length to your lashes, separates your lashes, but it doesn't add that much volume, guys. That's the thing I like to mention, but you can definitely use it because it's a really long lasting one as well. And I have added a PAC MINK eyelash in number M75, and this is how the final eye makeup turned out. Really like it. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and you can see my face is looking like a potato. I need to add some warmth to my face, for which I'm using Benefit HOOLA bronzer, and it's also a great bronzer, guys. I love the pigmentation. You can see how it actually looks. I'm using the brush it comes with. I'm applying it just under my cheekbones on the areas where I just need to add some shadows so that my face look more structured, more defined, more slimmer, and it just helps in hiding my double chin. Also going to contour my nose a little bit so that my nose looks much more sharper than before, which I actually enjoy, and I love the color of the HOOLA bronzer, guys. For the blush today, I'm using KIRO Beauty Glow On Blush Duo in number 3. I think it's Cool Cinnamon and Fresh Grapefruit shade, and mixing the two shades, I'm just removing the excess on the back of my hand because this is a very pigmented blush, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my face. Basically just applying it on top of my contour, as you can see, just applying it from the apples towards the ears of my face. In that way my face look really lifted, and it also adds a lot of color to my cheeks. For the highlighter today, I'm using Revolution Highlight Compact in the shade Opulence. It's a stunning highlighter, guys. You can see lots and lots of warm tone highlighters. I'm going to mix all of these shades together, and with the help of this highlighter brush from PAC, which is an amazing highlighter brush, guys. You just need to try it. I'm going to apply it on the highest points like my cheekbones, my forehead, Cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, chin. These are the areas where I generally put my highlight. I'm just doing the same thing in the inner corner of my eyes, also highlighting my inner corners with the help of the same product, and also going to apply it on the brow bone in order to highlight my brow bone. And you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. It's so wearable shade, and mixing all of the shades together gives me such a nice glow. For the lipstick today, I'm using BELORA Leave No Evidence Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tea Time. It's a gorgeous deep peachy nude color which is having lots and lots of browns in it with a little bit of pink as well. Perfect peachy nude color that will be definitely working on all Indian skin tones. And if you belong to dusky to deep skin category, you can definitely pull this off, guys, because it's going to look amazing. At the same time, this is a very comfortable liquid lipstick. It's not going to dry out your lips. Very pigmented as well. Now to set my makeup, to just seal in everything, I'm using Makeup Revolution Glow Fix makeup setting spray, which has got the tiniest shimmer particles in it, which you can't see actually, but it adds a lot of glow to your skin, which I actually love. Adding my black bindi, staple black bindi, and I'm going to wear these pair of earrings which I picked up from Ever Stylish. It's very affordable, looks so gorgeous, guys, and you can see this is how the final look turned out. So that's all, guys. This is how I have created this gorgeous, super easy, festive, glittery eye looks paired with nude lips, which you can definitely recreate. I hope you really like this video. Do not forget to hit the big thumbs up. At the same time, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.